Chief Minister Y. Khemchand met with Indo-Tibetan Border Police (ITBP) Inspector General Khongsai to discuss Manipur's overall security, law enforcement and civil-military civic action programs. In a social media post, the Chief Minister praised the ITBP for its vital role in Manipur and commended the force for strengthening public security across the state. He noted that ITBP's civic action programs and healthcare initiatives have built strong trust among the public. CM Khemchand reaffirmed the state government's commitment to working closely with central security agencies. He emphasized that this joint effort remains unchanged and is essential to restore long-term stability and promote community welfare. It may be mentioned that IG Khongsai is a 1996 batch IPS officer of the Manipur cadre. Prior to his appointment as ITBP Inspector General by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs in August 2023, he served as the Additional Director General (ADG) of Manipur Police.